How you doing, guys? Welcome to Blam TV, and today I want to talk to you about your number. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe if you want to find out more information about how we help budding entrepreneurs grow their business, how we support the entrepreneurial community with our information and technology. Press the subscribe and we'll be doing more videos soon. But let me talk to you about your number. Now, this is the most important number in your business, but what is it? Well, let me talk about the Blam world. In the Blam world, what we do is we help small businesses become successful online by selling them websites, mobile apps, SEO, social media, marketing services that are going to help their business grow. Now, in our world, our number is the number of customers that we need on a recurring revenue, monthly recurring revenue, in order to meet our overheads. Now, that may be, your number might be 30 customers. Your number might be 50. It might be 200, but whatever the number is, you've got to make sure it is in your mind, on your wall, on your vision board, on your phone. You've got to be thinking about it all the time, because you need to be a laser focused missile working towards your number like an absolute maniac, because getting to that number is the first step in the route to your success. Because when you hit your number, when you know your overheads are covered with a monthly recurring revenue every month, it means that when you wake up in the morning, the stress will leave you. You will no longer be worried about, I've got to make sales, I've got to make sales, I've got to make sales. And when you get to that position, your mind clears and you're able to think more strategically about real growth in your business. So step number one is know your number, define what it is, get it on the wall, get it on your pin board that's by your desk, have it as your screensaver on your phone, and then work like a maniac towards that number until you get there. And when you get that monthly recurring revenue of the number of clients that you need in order to cover your overheads, your whole world will change, your whole attitude will change, because you will be able to think strategically about the next steps for your business. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you want to see anything else about what we do, check out blam.online. I'm Grant Stain, CEO of Blam. Thanks for listening. See you on the next one, guys.